First, open Google and search for Check Web Traffic. Then, tap on the first link. Now, let's generate a traffic report of Google. Enter the domain name in the search bar and tap Search. You'll now see all the traffic details for the entered website. Let's check the traffic data for another site. Here, you can also see its top-ranking keywords. Now, let's search for one of these keywords. As you can see, it's ranking number 1 on the search page. So, I can say that the data provided by this website is quite accurate. Try it out and analyze website traffic easily.